Forex industry doesn't want you to win, and the best traders know this, yet almost none of them show up to teach about this truth. Out of 100%, maybe 2% are willing to talk about the stuff that actually matters. You need to understand something. There are brokers and prop firms whose business model depends on you losing consistently. Why? Because the more you lose, the more money they make. It's that simple. When you execute a trade, remember this. For a trade to be fulfilled, someone has to lose and someone has to win. The market isn't your friend, my friend. In fact, most of the industry is built to make sure that you are the losing side. There are two types of brokers, A-book and B-book brokers. A-book brokers don't rely on your losses. They make money through spreads, commissions, and swaps. But B-book brokers, they are completely against you. Your trades stay in-house. When you open a sell, they open a buy against your position. So this is how B-book brokers tilt the game. They will use every tool they have to push you into losing. Spread widening, delayed execution, stop hunts, you name it, all these price manipulations, etc. etc. You place an order at a certain price and suddenly it doesn't trigger. Your stop loss get hit instantly, your take profits are delayed, you are not crazy. They see every order you place. When you win, they lose, and when you lose, they win. These brokers have advanced order flow systems that show them everything. Your entries, your stop loss, and your take profits, almost everything. You're trading against a machine designed to predict your failure. Prop firms are no different, and let's talk about prop firms. Their whole business model revolves around you buying their funded accounts. They brag about payouts and show a handful of successful traders. But dig into their risk disclosure, something interesting pops out. 90% of traders lose money trading CFDs and Forex. If 90% are losing consistently, you think programs aren't built to profit from that? Even mentors and teachers are happy to talk about trend lines, support and resistance, and patterns, but they ignore the most important factor, psychology. And you know why? When you think like a gambler, when you keep depositing and growing accounts, the system benefits from you trading impulsively and being emotional. So my final message for you, my friend, is this industry is structured to keep you losing and then winning. So be careful who you learn from and be mindful to the information you absorb. And always remember this: when the student is ready, the master will appear.